Wike was in court to observe the prosecution of the foreign company Saipem Contracting Nigeria Limited, its parent organization Saipem SPA, and its management over alleged fraud against the state government. The governor was in court in the company of the National Vice Chairman of the People's Democratic Party in the South, Dan Obih, Rivers State Chairman of the PDP, Ambassador Desmond Akawor, former Senator Olaka Wogu, and State Lawmaker Adoki. The company is accused of failing to execute the contract to construct a power plant near the Afam Power Station in Oyigbo Local Government Area of the state after receiving full payment of $130 million and an additional 70 billion naira in variations between 2011 and 2014. The Rivers State government said the failure of the company to execute the project led to the abandonment of a gas turbine generator unit in Holland since 2012, which the state is paying so much on demurrage. The prosecution lawyer Godwin Oblah also argued that the company's Saipem contracting firm be represented by another person other than its manager because the manager is equally standing trial for his culpability.
The court adjourned to today to hear the preliminary objection filed by the first, second, third, and the sixth defendants. All processes were filed, they all got in today. The objections were taken. The state objected vigorously to the objection that the applicants raised. After a reasoned decision, the judge dismissed the objections and asked that trial proceed. The state immediately opened this case and tendered sets of documents in support of this case. The documents are categorized in about 4 different categories, and in spite of the objection by counsel to the defendants, the objections were overruled and the documents have been admitted. Matter has been adjourned to the 22nd, 23rd, and 24th of February 2022. We intend to call all our witnesses and hopefully open and close our case on those 3 days or within those 3 days.
Okay, what happened in court today is in connection with the arraignment and trial of Saipem and some staff. For the 4th defendant we are representing, it's not even a staff of Saipem any longer. And they left Saipem even after the phase 1 of Afam Power Plant contract was fully executed and commissioned. For today, the court, we came here for the issue of competence of the charge, information that was charged before the court, and the jurisdiction of the court to entertain same. The court held that it has jurisdiction on the ground of the fact that the information the parties pleaded to were not being questioned by us, and that what we were questioning was the information that was filed on 5th of November 2021, for which same has been duly amended. Our point, however, is that an incompetent information cannot be made competent by way of an amendment. But in the course wisdom, the court ruled against us, and thereafter the hearing commenced. In any event, no witness was called.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.